come to the point, how to actually fix your life. I am explaining your life improving. Whether you want to boost your mood, get better at time management, develop healthy, personal habits, or focus on self-growth, self-improvement is key to enhancing your quality of life. Even if it feels challenging at the moment, or you feel you've tried and couldn't before, it is possible to feel better about yourself and fulfill your dreams and goals. And you don't need a complete overhaul to improve your life quality. Just a few steps can help to boost your well-being and make your days more meaningful. 10 things to do to improve your life. 1. Writing your story every day. You're the owner of your life. How do you want that to look today? For life improvement, I suggest considering what you'd like to accomplish today and the vibe you want to carry, says John Duffy, PhD, a clinical psychologist and author of the book, The Available Parent: Radical Optimism for Raising Teens and Tweens. Like any author, you may have a few story plots to choose from. Duffy suggests you try to identify which is the better story for you and go for it. The better story might be getting up earlier rather than sleeping in, or reaching out to help someone instead of passively ignoring their need, he adds. 2. Identifying what's keeping you stuck. How to improve your life may be a matter of identifying those things that get in the way of said improvement. Are there certain events or people in your life that you feel have become roadblocks to your development? Feeling stuck might look different for everyone. You may feel like it regardless of the circumstances in your life, or you might have specific relationships or tasks that take energy and focus from you. You might want to start exploring what feeling stuck means to you. If anything at all, maybe you feel empty or lonely, or perhaps you engage in procrastination. This approach gets you to be both reflective and active. Which are 2 steps necessary for change, says Deborah Serrani, SID, a clinical psychologist. Serrani also recommends considering these 3 steps. Stop. Oftentimes it's a blind spot you can't see, so taking time to mull things over helps you see more clearly, says Serrani. Is it a decision you're afraid to make? Are certain people bringing you down? Are you in a cycle of negative thinking? Look around. Serrani recommends you consider how this blind spot is touching your life. Is it only at home, or just at work or school? She adds. Listen to yourself. What are your heart and mind telling you about what you need to do? Learning to reflect on your inner thoughts and feelings will help you trust putting them into action, says Serrani. Consider exploring these areas of your life: interpersonal conflict and friction, career goals and job opportunities, emotional regulation and how it impacts your mood, physical health and lifestyle habits that impact it. 3. Focusing on right now. Are you overly concerned about past mistakes or what will happen tomorrow? Focusing on self-growth and life improvement may require you to live in the present moment. According to Allison Thayer, LCPC, a psychotherapist in Chicago, focusing on right now can be challenging, especially in today's world. Today's technology and expectation to be connected or available to work at all times is one of the most prominent challenges people face when trying to be present in the here and now, she says. So, how can you focus more on the present? Consider these: a mindfulness practice, accepting the things you can't control, living more intentionally, reaching peace of mind, letting go of unhealthy attachments, forgiving yourself, engaging in grounding exercises. 4. Getting better at time management. Among the things you can do to improve your life right now, managing time efficiently may be key. Time management helps you achieve more, improve focus, stay motivated, and avoid feeling like you're wasting time. The feeling itself of being productive may improve your mood and your mental well-being. You can get better at time management by blocking time on your calendar for must-dos and honoring those time blocks. Stacking habits or doing a few things at the same time. For example, reviewing your calendar while you get breakfast. Starting with the most challenging tasks early in the morning or when you feel you have the most energy. Finding an organizational or tracking system that works for you and gives you a glance of what you've accomplished throughout the day. Scheduling periodic pauses during the day to reset your mind and body. Rewarding yourself when you complete a task. 5. Setting realistic and attainable goals. The best things for self-improvement aren't necessarily the most complex and difficult to obtain. Often, improving your life is taking care of the details. Setting goals is a key step in accomplishments, says Thayer. However, lofty goals may not even be realistic. If you're setting sky-high goals from the start, you may end up feeling like you're not improving at all. Holding ourselves to goals that we cannot reach can damage our self-esteem and inhibit our interest in trying to reach these goals again, says Thayer. When setting your mind to reach a goal, ask yourself, is this realistic and can I actually attain this goal? If the answer is no, consider breaking. To see more than 5 points, comment in the comment box. Thank you. For more videos, please like and subscribe.